Let's understand how to use a Revolizer. It's an easy to use inhaler device. Just remember these easy steps. Open, insert, close and inhale. The Revolizer has three main parts: a mouthpiece, a rotacap chamber and a base. Start by holding a Revolizer at its base and open the mouthpiece until you see the two arrows meet. Take a rotacap and insert it into a rotacap chamber. Make sure the transparent end of the rotacap is facing downwards. Close the mouthpiece until you hear the click sound. You can use the Revolizer while sitting or standing, but make sure to keep your head straight. Breathe out completely. Put the mouthpiece between your teeth and close your lips around it, but don't bite it. Inhale through your mouth as fast and deep as you can. If you're doing it right, you would hear the rotacap moving inside the Revolizer. Remove the Revolizer from your mouth. Hold your breath just for 10 seconds or as long as you are comfortable. Then breathe out normally. After taking each dose, rinse your mouth with water and spit it out. If there's a powder left in the rotacap chamber, repeat the above steps and take a second inhalation. After each use, open the mouthpiece until the two arrows meet and throw away the empty rotacap. Close the mouthpiece and put the Revolizer in the pouch for better hygiene. Wasn't it easy to use a Revolizer? Just remember the easy steps and you're good to go. Open, insert, close, inhale. Here are some important instructions. Clean the Revolizer at least once a week to ensure smooth functioning. Rinse the mouthpiece and rotacap chamber under clean running water and allow them to air dry. It is recommended to use a new Revolizer after every 6 months. For more information on product, refer Pack Insert or log on to breathefree.com. Or you can call on 987 333 5577.